Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word bumptious. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The bumptious new intern constantly interrupted her coworkers during meetings to share her opinions. Bumptious means self-assertive or proud to an irritating degree, often displaying an exaggerated sense of self-importance and rudely asserting one's opinions. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.